Hi guys, I just wanted to make this quick video on how to quickly navigate and utilize your assignment sheet. So I recommend going in the order that the assignments, especially the math ones, are listed in because I strategically put them in that order for a reason. So I recommend going in this order. So let's say place value. I'm like, I don't really want to watch the video because I think I might get a 7 out of 7 on this exercise. So when I click on the exercise to work on it and I just skip the video, it takes me right to the assignment sheet. So just by clicking on the title of the assignment, it takes you right to the assignment. Just click on the link below and it takes you right to it. So let's say I got a 7 out of 7. So then I say, great, awesome. I'm going to input my 7 out of 7. Remember to always include the grade that you get for the exercise, the last grade, to always input it. And then it's time to check off the assignment. So if I just do a single click, so I'm going to have my mouse, I'm going to scroll over to the boxes here. If I just do a single click, all of the boxes are going to highlight. So in order not to have all boxes be highlighted, you have to double click. So scroll your mouse over to the boxes, double click on that single box that you want to check off, then left click and go to the check mark. So since I got that exercise, so since I finished the exercise without watching the video, I'm just gonna check off the video and I gotta check off that exercise assignment as well because I did get a 7 out of 7 and I'm awesome. So on to the next. So I made the assignments. I linked up the link onto your assignment sheet. So all you have to do is just follow this order. So every time you're ready to work on an assignment, just take out your assignment sheet here and just click on the title that you're ready on the assignment that you're ready to work on. Click on the link and it takes you right to it. If you ever encounter a problem, of course, email me right away because then it could be different for other students as well. The other students might be experiencing the same problem, so definitely email me right away. I try my best to not have any mistakes and have the correct videos linked to each other, but if not, let me know. I think that is it. Remember that your assignment sheet is due every single week, so remember to just make a copy and submit that. And yeah, Khan Academy, remember, when you work on your Khan Academy assignments, make sure that when you ready to work that you are signed in, or else I can't see your progress and I can't that's proof to me. Every time you're logged into your Khan Academy and you're working, it tells me how long you have been working on the assignments. It's progress, right? That's how I monitor your progress. And that's how I monitor how well you're doing, how I'm assessing you. But if you're not logged in, then I can't see any of that. So always make sure that when you're ready to work on your assignment sheets, that when you click on the link, that you're always signed into your Khan Academy. And I think that's it. All right, guys, thank you for watching.